Abantu abaningi bathokozisanga i-meeting ka-President Cyril Ramaphosa kanye no-Donald Trump ngokuthi-ke bekhuluma ngo-Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi bekumele aboshwe ngenkathi becula leli culo labo.
Wow, what a meeting. What a meeting between Cyril Ramaphosa and Donald Trump. So guys, I was going through these points, Guti, what was the main purpose of this meeting? So Donald Trump and Cyril Ramaphosa, they've met today in the White House, Washington, D.C., America. So the meeting started very well. It was just a smooth ride meeting whereby with Donald Trump and Cyril Ramaphosa, they were talking about what are the outcomes or a meeting in Le Abazobana just after this meeting in the Oval Office by Kulumangan. So they were talking about trade deals, South Africa, and America, and all of those things. So then the meeting started shifting when Donald Trump started to ask questions, because America, it's very nice they would ask people ba buze imbuzo, not like in South Africa whereby like the presidents in the Union Building will ask the journalists ask me any question. So in the Oval Office, they would ask the journalists to ask the questions, and then those journalists, they started asking questions about the burning topic, the white genocide that is happening in South Africa. So and then Donald Trump, then he started saying if ever there's no white genocide, then in South Africa they have to prove it. Actually, the journalist said that if ever there's no white genocide, so Cyril Ramaphosa, or what should South Africa do to prove there's no white genocide in South Africa? Then to show Donald Trump, he was prepared for this meeting. One of his assistants badlale a whole video of Julius Malema on a big screen. So when they were playing that video on the big screen, it shows Donald Trump, he was very prepared for Cyril Ramaphosa. And guys, I want to be honest with you. Cyril Ramaphosa, he was very calm. One thing about our president of South Africa, he's very calm and he can deal with the situation or any situation very calmly. So they played that video and I kumbula leya yaga Julius Malema when he was singing a stadium la ati kill the boer, kill the farmer.
Kichima Chipram Konto Alliance shoot to kill Gamaza.
And then when they were playing that video, there's also a video that they played whereby Julius Malema was also selling that same topic, and then the other interview with Julius Malema la ati okwamanje asikahabo ukuthi sithi there will be a revolutionary or la South Africa kuzokufika isikhathi la whereby there will be a big revolution and an uncontrollable one. So Julius Malema, when he was speaking that, was interviewed by one of the journalists with Ambuza about like the political status of South Africa. Whatever manje, we have not called people must go to a street. There will be a time like Nakumula during those times, they looting whereby people were on the street without anybody abachela they must go. So, like something like that. So Julius Malema, he was saying that kuzofika isikhathi la ukuthi kube ne revolution ukuthi abantu bayistradini and abantu bazilwele and nobody will stop people for that. Okay, fine. Then that video it played and everything, Julius Malema, and futhi there was also another video whereby ubaba Jacob Zuma, he was also singing la ati sizobadubula. That chant, what is Zoba Dubula and something like that. Then they stopped the video and then those questions started flowing in there. Then they started asking if ever Abandu Amakua or the white people, they are not being killed in South Africa, why Julius Malema? Like guys, Julius Malema, the whole Julius Malema. Do you know Uti? Sometimes they like city, you must kick the dog until the owner comes. That's what happened. Julius Malema, he kicked the dog and then manje bayavela. And then But if ever it happens ukuthi you are not killing the boer and we are not killing the farmer in South Africa, then why the whole stadium is chanting and singing about that? Then calm so uCyril Ramaphosa waphendula wathi in South Africa sine freedom of speech and whereby umunye nomunye angazi expressa ngendlela afuna ukuzi expressa ngakhona as I democracy ekhona eSouth Africa. Then khona la ambuzile u Donald Trump athi if ever this guy ocula ukuthi into ayenzako it's not wrong why ningambophi, wamphendula uCyril Ramaphosa wathi ukhumbule ukuthi this person he's the leader of the opposition and futhi ngizokupha our one of the persons oy minister of agriculture naye angene azikhulumele ukuthi if ever ama farmers bafuna ukuhamba eSouth Africa ingabe bakhambiswa ukuthi ama bunu ayabulawa or not. And then uJohn Steenhuisen wakhuluma naye wabane opportunity ukuthi advertise the Democratic Alliance to the White House ukuthi thina as the opposition singenile, we entered the government of national unity because of we wanted to make sure ukuthi sivalela MK ne EFF ukuthi bangangeni in the parliament. So EDA, they are not in the government of national unity because of they care about the people of South Africa. They are in the government of national unity because of they wanted to block the MKP and the EFF not to be in government. Steenhuisen said it clearly in front of everybody. And then there's this word ababizile ukuthi these hooligans or something like that. So guys, we need an EFF presser like tomorrow. We need an EFF presser like tomorrow. Remember what 10 a week ago. A week ago, I said this.
If it was for me, mina benzothi uCyril Ramaphosa, our Cyril Ramaphosa president, please take somebody like Vuyole Zungula, Julius Malema, Mmusi Maimane. Those people should.
If ever Julius Malema, he was there in the Oval Office, bekazoziphendulela in front of everybody. Bekazoziphendulela, even the delegates that they were chosen by Donald Trump, it showed to Donald Trump he was bullying us as South African, or he was bullying our president. You cannot say you can come and see me, but do not come with so and so, come with so and so. Can you imagine telling the whole president of a 66 million people, out of 66 million, we choose 2 golfers, we choose 100 pets, kwaba nguKhumbudzo Ntshavheni no Ronald Lamola. Out of and the other lady from ICOSATU. I will show you the lady. We choose those people. Can you imagine? Donald Trump is a bully, guys. But I can assure you and tell you, Guti, yabona Julius Malema. Julius Malema, he's a leader in South Africa, whether you like it or you don't like it. Because of, like, the world cannot stand whereby the whole country, they were watching this interview and they are talking about one single person, of which is Julius Malema. And also, Konala, before the farm killing story, this is the whole thing where it started. Donald Trump keep my files. Donald Trump was keep my files. What look? This is what happened. These people are being killed. This is what happened. These people have been killed. This is what happened. These people have been killed. And all of those people, he claims Suguti are the white farmers.
And the other thing, guys, how many black people are being killed in the township? I like that lady, the COSATU lady, saying, like, black people are killed each and every day, and we are not good. Muntomyam, Sugum. Donald Trump keep on my files, what these people have been killed. And then was any video whereby on the roads there was crosses, dead crosses, and then the white people, they were driving, following each other and claiming there's white people that have been killed as farmers. So a lot of people have been killed. Like, you can tell with this whole thing, guys, it's a propaganda. Wait for part 2, guys, whereby Donald Trump, he gave those 2 white golfers a chance to speak. He also gave that lady from COSATU, what did she say? I will give you a part 2. Guys, I really enjoyed this video.
So guys, welcome to part 2. So after Donald Trump keep wakama files, atina kama files Cyril Ramaphosa. South Africa nibulala bantu. South Africa get better. Then wapa those three guys, laba abeze no Cyril Ramaphosa, the two golfers, Johan Rupert a chance to speak. Ne? And then Johan Rupert, for a change, Johan Rupert protected the black people. Uguti, there's no white genocide in South Africa. So Johan Rupert, guys, Johan Rupert is one of the people that made this arrangement. Yaga Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi ahlangane no Donald Trump. So Johan Rupert, it showed ukuthi I remember back in 2020 whereby Cyril Ramaphosa said ukuthi he has no relationship with Johan Rupert. So Johan Rupert, it showed ukuthi he's the owner of South Africa. Case closed. Johan Rupert, out of 66 million in South Africa, Johan Rupert, he's the first citizen okhonile arrange a meeting with Donald Trump. Can you please meet Cyril Ramaphosa so that we can iron this topic of white genocide in South Africa? So Johan Rupert, he said there's no white genocide in South Africa. Genocide, like the crime in South Africa, it's across all boards. Even the black people, what yena uhlala in the Cape Town, Western Cape. Wajela Johan Stezen, what John, your party, they are the leader in the Western Cape, but there's crime stats. Cape Flats, they've got the highest number of crime, killings and everything. Cape Flats, kunama gang na everything. He was telling Johan Rupert, Donald Trump, can you please help us? Kunama gang in South Africa, like our M23, all of those things, whereby they are killing people, and those gangs, they are uncontrollable, especially in Cape Town. What thing is Saba Noglala Gingagaki. And the other thing is in South Africa, we need a problem here to cinema alien citizen. Labantu laba babuya ngale ngaphandle abangana maphepha. Labe besibakhuluma couple of weeks ago ngiyakhumbula nisitshela ukuthi basho we are xenophobic. Johan Rupert is also crying about that. Ukuthi sinama alien citizen in South Africa. There's too many foreigners abangana maphepha. And we need Starlink kuma satellite police stations. So that's where Elon Musk will come in with the business. What we need is Starlink kuma police station. We need armored drones that we will use to fight this crime. What I tried to donate armored drones in Dao, and then that proposal, it was rejected because of government. Americans, they will spy us because of we won't have control over the cyber security. So now they can't implement all of those drones because of America. They will be controlled with those data. So Johan Rupert was crying about that. Farm killings and white genocide and what. The problem is not South Africa. It's crime. And also that lady from COSATU. This lady, you see this one, Loma Specs. What's the problem is now in South Africa as well as manje? Siyoba nenkinga ye job security. In terms of trade and everything. What is your banking job security? Because of if you can lose R500,000, 500,000 jobs, automatically manje in a problem 40% of which is unemployment. So we cannot lose that. So kumele sisebenzisana in terms of trade nan. What and food just to add on that. Abo gogo bakhona uqundiwa inhloko, abantwana bayarejwa, abomama bayarejwa. All of those crimes are happening in South Africa. It's not only just white genocide. Crime everywhere yenzeka in South Africa. Kahle yababona laba abayi4 yilo sesi uJohan Rupert, and then this guy ngibukhohliwe, I will tell you the name. He's from he said he's from Polokwane. He's a golfer. Also that one, they also gave him the chances to speak. So Lote Basho, he's living in a farm. So there are some farm killing, but Agasima Nengi. So was only 2 people that they were killed in Polokwane. So it means good bona bayabulawa, but it's not that severely. So and then that other guy Naiwati, yena South Africa uhappy wazokhipha nepassport yakhe uthi yena right akafuna ukuya anywhere usese citizenship yase South Africa. And then uJohan Rupert he said ukuthi uJulius Malema like for the last 10 years I've been the number one hated citizen in South Africa. Can you please help us, Donald Trump? Because for the last 10 years, like Google my name and Google Julius Malema, you will find in South Africa I'm famous because of Julius Malema. And Julius Malema, I met him when he was still with Ronald Lamula, ANC Youth League. And look at this guy, how calm he is. But Julius Malema is the opposite. What if for the last 10 years, like Julius Malema, ungipa a headache? Johan Rupert said that. What can you please help us? I don't know what Donald Trump was doing, but Donald Trump, Julius Malema must be arrested. And then, John Steenhuisen, EMKP, the EFF, they blocked them. Bangangene parliament. Because of once Bangene parliament is a disaster. So it shows, this is my dissection. So it shows, EDA, ANC is the same thing. Because of they are just there in the government to exploit the money and everything. And then EMKP and the EFF, they are fighting for the people of South Africa. I bet clear. The ANC is there in the parliament so that they can do whatever. EDA, but there's no marriage. EDA is just there to being imposters in the parliament, which I were there, but they are not there for the people of South Africa. That's why, like previously, I said, I even find it difficult for the people that are still voting for the DA. And as well as on the next meeting, after this, Elon Musk, he was part of the people that he was just there. He did not say anything, but I'm definitely sure meeting about he's going to be very vocal. Also, no Pakistan now he did not say anything. He was not given an opportunity. No Khumbudzo Ntshavheni, she did not get an opportunity, but they were busy. Cyril Ramaphosa. So the nice thing about this Cyril Ramaphosa, he's very composed, guys. He's very calm. In overall, like the meeting, it was just a success. If it was a different person, since I said before, if ever Julius Malema he was there, Cyril Ramaphosa, I'm telling you, I was pendulela. Julius Malema he was going to mob with Donald Trump. Like about Donald Trump, they need people that can speak, people that can stand their ground and answer the questions that they are asked. You understand? Because the whole Oval Office, guys, they were discussing this guy. The whole America today, the topic is Julius Malema. So Julius Malema and Ibrahim Traore, they are more like the same. Ibrahim and Julius Malema, they are almost like the same. It's just that with Bahluke nationality. Guys, that's all I can tell you. But the meeting today, it was a success. Cyril Ramaphosa, he handled this meeting very well. But I didn't like the way I handled Shangwana because at some point, like, like Natungu Popeye, you understand? So, but we needed people that were going to challenge. Yabona Zelensky, the way he meeting Leayake, which Cyril Ramaphosa did no materializes because of he was standing his ground and Beganga Vumel Donald Trump bullish. Donald Trump he is a bully and Cyril Ramaphosa he was more like bullying him but Cyril Ramaphosa just because of Ngoba is a calm guy being a mopi that opportunity, you understand? So but if it was a different case Julius Malema be corner in that office I'm telling you guys you war. And the EFF guys, they are not going anywhere because of Donald Trump, which why Julius Malema he must not be arrested. They will never make that mistake about Cyril Ramaphosa when they come back and say Julius Malema he must be arrested because of they will be calling it a mass of destruction in South Africa. There will be a revolution whereby everybody of us is struggling. I am telling you, it's just my advice. They must never come back with that mentality. Johan Rupert Julius Malema Johan Rupert. That is part of my part 2.